Hey everybody, welcome back to Coop to Grill. We have reached that time of year again where we're out of pellets for the smokers. So we need to refill. And I don't just use the regular typically. So these are my favorite ones, the Pit Boss Competition Blend. So when I'm on the job site, I just grab a bag of these and I throw them on there. But when I'm at home, I like to add a little bit of charcoal and not a lot. This is a 20-pound bag, and this is going to get mixed in with 80 pounds of regular pellets. I see a lot of discussion online, questions about the best way to store pellets, and there's a lot of different ways out there. You can throw them in a tote. I don't like the totes. They, I don't know why. They just, a lot of stuff can get into them. Where these, on the other hand, Tidy Cat, not sponsored, by the way. We have some cats, so I did wash these. Don't just think I threw some pellets in a kitty litter container. Make sure you use hot water, Dawn dish soap, and a brush. Make sure you open the lid. You can pull it off of there. I left the lids on, but I got all the way in there, scrubbed everything out. Cat litter, the containers keep a lot of moisture out, so it's really good for your pellets. If you've got a friend that's got a cat or you've got a cat, I recommend Tidy Cat. Kitty litter container. Anyway, so we're going to put these in here. Next thing you're going to need is a scoop, any kind of scoop. So this is one that you get at Fleet Farm and Menards or any kind of hardware store. And that's about a 2-cup measuring cup. So it'll be 1 of these to 4 of these. That's the ratio. You can also make yourself a scoop. This is out of again, I washed this very thoroughly with Dawn dish soap. But this is from Rain-X windshield washer fluid. Yeah, so I just cut it. You can kind of see at a little bit of an angle. Gives you a nice scoop, and you can probably get about 3, maybe 4 cups worth in there. The biggest thing is making sure that you got a ratio. This is what I like. Just a little bit of this charcoal goes a long way to help with some flavor in your smokers. So here we go.
Wow.
Yeah, cut it right open sideways. That's the best way to get to it. So 2 of these. I know I said 4. I'm going to do 1 of these and 2 of these.
And to mix them, you can also pour them back and forth into another container.
Yeah, box them together, whatever you want to do. But I like to have that nice general mix, and there you go. That's all you need to do. Look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. So every time I add my 5 scoops in, I'm going to toss it around. Keep going like that until you get them all filled up, and you've got pellets. You can get as many as you want. If you find them on sale, you know, pick up 10 bags, and you got a year or two's worth of pellets, and they're not going to go bad. 2 scoops in, 1 scoop of pellets, 2 scoops of this.
Oh my.
And it's full. Right? When you get that full like this here, like I said, every one you want to make sure that you're shaking it up, mixing it every time. Just a little bit of back and forth. Once around, look at that. That's nice and pretty well mixed. There you go, everybody. That is how we mix up our pellets, and that's what we use here at Coop to Grill. If you guys got a different blend, something that you'd like to try, or a different way to do it, or something else for storing, leave a comment. We'd like to hear it. Thanks for coming with us today at Coop to Grill. Do not forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment. It helps grow our channel. And if you want to see more videos of the 2 of us doing fun cooking stuff, check it out. Maybe they're over there this time. Maybe we got them on both sides. Double barrels.